Right, how to start a concrete saw. So first check, make sure you've got a good amount of fuel in it. This is your choke, it's off, halfway full, we want it fully on. Prime it 3 times, pull the trigger, put this all the way to the back, that locks the trigger on for starting. Press the button and then give it a crank. Down. See that? A little pop there, so knock the choke off. That knocks it off. Always remember to use hearing protection and eye protection, and yeah, once it's warmed up for a minute, you can go and use it. The other thing you can also do, you put a hose onto it, and when you're ready to use it, just open the valve, and that'll let the water through the blade to keep it cool and let the blade last longer.